November 17th to December 1st.
We are waiting for you on Amazon.
Hey, Gloria.
Hey, Kevin.
What are you doing?
I'm watching a video of 3D printing. Looks so good. So
You're
cool.
watching a video
Yeah.
of 3D printing?
Yeah.
I have something way better than watching videos of 3D printing.
What?
I'll show you. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. Where are we?
Where are we? This is the Amazon official Creality store.
Really?
Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale
Wow, Creality store.
on Amazon.
On Amazon.
Yeah, we have specials for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Actually, starts on November 17th and runs all the way till December 1st.
Whoa, what's this?
Don't like it too much.
Okay.
It's the K1 Max.
Yay,
600
it is.
millimeters per second. It's
It's so fast.
so
Super fast.
Not just big, but fast. But big, 300 millimeters, 300 millimeters, 300 millimeters. It's big.
Okay.
It's a monster.
How much is it?
It's regular $1,099.
Oh my, it's a little expensive.
You're gonna have to save up, but
but
November 17th, $743.
Really?
743.
743? That means I can save up to 30% out, right?
$356 you're saving. Yeah.
30%
You're saving
off.
so much money that you could
Whoa.
add
Oh,
this baby
A scanner?
basically for free.
I heard it.
A
It's
3D scanner.
Ferret.
Yeah. The
Tell me
ferret.
it's a ferret.
It's the Creality Ferret. The regular
The
price of the ferret is $349. $349.
$349?
Yeah. But
Uh-huh.
on November 17th, $279.20.
20% out.
$279. So you're saving more than that on this. So
So
this,
I can buy one.
it's basically like getting it for free.
Together.
Yeah, on November 17th. You have to wait till November 17th. Yeah.
Okay, I remember that.
But then you're also going to need to print yourself. You're going to
I
need some of
a
this.
filament. Oh, so
Oh.
it's hyper
It
series.
smells fast. It's so good.
What's the price?
A regular price is $22.99. It's $16.99. So $6 on every roll. So if I use 2 or 3 rolls per month, I'm going to save $12 to $18 per month if I buy it during
Wow.
Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
Yeah, that's true.
November 17th to December 1st.
November 17th.
Everything I need to
Oh.
print fast, to print what I want, and to print big. That's just the start of what you want. We have so many things to show you.
Show me more.
I have more.
Oh, what's
This
this?
also brand new Ender 3 V3 SE is what you need when you're getting started.
For beginners, right?
Yeah, it's regular $220, $219. It's on sale for $197.
Wow, I can save $22. That's
10%.
10% off.
10% off on a brand new machine. This is a model that just came out.
Yeah, I want to buy one for my niece.
Okay,
Can,
but
can you support auto leveling?
it has auto leveling. Of course it's got auto
Okay,
leveling.
that's
Yeah,
good.
I'm not
Oh,
doing
that's
any
good.
more leveling with
What is-
paper. And the Sonic Pad is on sale too.
How much is
The
it?
Sonic Pad is usually $149, but this one is on sale for $118.
Wow, it saved $31.
$118.
That's
Connect to
21%
4
off.
different printers, connect cameras to your printers, connect Wi-Fi to your printers.
Wow,
Sonic
that's
Pad is awesome.
amazing.
Yeah, great sales.
Great
and
sales.
if you want something a little even better, the
I think it looks
CR10 SE.
Wow.
I just like saying CR10 SE. It's usually $479, but it's on sale on November 17th for $359. How do you like that?
$159?
Yeah. Get you some of this.
What is this?
Here you go.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah. Well,
so what's this?
it's 2 kilograms of filament.
Also, this is a value pack of filament.
It's 2 different rolls, 2 rolls of filament.
2 rolls in
Yeah,
one
of regular
box.
filament, good for all of your printing. This is
So
PLA.
let me say this is 2 kilograms
Yeah.
in one box.
Right, which
much
is
is it?
regular $32.99. And
Only 32?
during Black Friday, Cyber Monday,
Okay.
$23.99.
Really?
Yeah, 24 bucks for
23?
2 rolls of filament.
So I think
So-
23 can only buy 1 filament. But
Usually-
now I can get 2. So yeah, you
We've
can,
got
you can
everything hooked up
buy
for you.
printer and the solid pad and the filament.
Yeah,
All right.
starting
together.
on November 17th all the
Yeah.
way till December
Yeah,
1st.
I remember that. Okay.
Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. It's
Okay.
amazing.
You know, Kevin, I've always wanted to try a resin printer.
Yeah, this is not for
You
your
guys
niece,
know?
right? This is for you this time.
Yeah.
Okay, stand back. I don't want you to
Okay, okay.
drool on this. This is the Hallett Mage Pro.
Wow, it looks awesome.
Isn't it nice? Okay, so this is usually $629, but it's on sale Black Friday, Cyber Monday, November 17th for $503.
Wow.
$503?
$126.
Yeah, and
20% off?
And this is not a beginner level resin printer. This is the top of the line. This is the best resin printer that you can get.
Really?
Yeah. So
Okay.
$503 for the best. And then we have the curing station.
Oh, of course you need a
So
washing machine.
after you print with the Hallett Mage Pro, you put it into a curing station. It turns it automatically, gives it some UV light, and cures your prints for you. So you don't need it, but I want it, right? You want it.
Yeah, I want it. I definitely want it.
Its regular price is $209. It's on sale for $167. So you're saving, how much did you say? $126 on this? Saving $126 on this and spending $167 on that.
Wow, I'm gonna get this free, right?
It's almost getting it for
It's
free.
almost free.
That's how you can explain it to my wife.
But if I want to print, I need resin.
You need resin. That's the difference. You don't need filament anymore. You need a resin. So you still buy 1 kilogram of resin. 3D printer,
Wow, how
UV
much is
curable
this?
resin.
One bottle?
It's usually $30. It's usually $29.99. But
You need 30.
November 17th, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, $22.30.
$22?
Yeah, so everything is on sale for Black Friday,
I
Cyber
can buy
Monday.
them all one time.
I
on
mean,
Amazon.
You're never going to get a better price.
November 17th, right?
November 17th to December 1st on the
Okay.
Creality store in Amazon.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, there's no better time to buy. This you're not going to get a price. This is the top of the line. There's nothing better. The K1 Max is the best. This is the best.
It's the best in the resin machine.
Yeah, in resin printing, this is the best. It's got nice filtration. It's amazing.
Wow, that's amazing.
What else do you want?
I want to say some engravers.
Oh, I love engravers. Let me show you some engravers.
Okay.
You wanted a laser engraver.
course.
I've got the laser engraver for you.
Wow.
The Creality Falcon 2 40 watt. It's the big one. It's the mama.
How much is it?
Its regular price is $16.99.
Really? That's
But it's on sale. Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. On November 17th, it's on sale for $11.89.
wow.
30% off.
30% off. That means I can save up to $510.
Oh, $510. You could buy a 3D printer with the money you saved.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
what I
incredible.
think.
But I'm not going to lie to you, not everybody needs the 40 watt. The 40 watt is very powerful.
Very powerful.
I mean,
So
if you're
what
just a
else do we
hobbyist,
get?
you don't. The 22 watt is amazing. I play with the 22 watt all the time. The
Oh.
only difference, it looks exactly like this,
It's cheaper.
just this one is not as powerful. Just the diode. Yeah, the regular price
Okay.
on it is like $969,
Wow.
and it's on sale right now for $699 or something like that. I'm not sure because I don't know for sure.
33% out.
$647.20.
Yeah, I prepared the most special gifts for my.
So you have to wait though, Gloria. You
Why?
can't buy this now because it's not November 17th yet.
Yeah, you just told me November 17th. Kevin, you bring me a lot of good news today.
Oh.
Thank you. You made my day.
It's gonna make my day. I have to make sure we have enough of these to sell.
You want to buy them?
November
Okay,
17th.
November 17th
November 17th,
to December
1st.
1st,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Okay.
All right.
Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
November 17th to December 1st.
We're waiting for you.